let's have a look at the fourth ratio that you need for Rhine 2023. So it's looking at the net profit margin. So you need to know the formula first, which is your net profit divided by your credit sales. So remember, your net profit will be found in the profit and loss account, and your credit sales will be found in the profit and loss account as well. So if we go and have a look and see what our net profit is. So this is our profit and loss account here. Our net profit is 95,000. Just going to write in 95,000 just to identify the figures I need to do the formula. Credit sales then 675,000. So now we've got our two figures that we need. We know what our formula is, so it's our net profit, which is 95,000, divided by our credit sales, which is 675,000. And because this is in a percentage, we're going to multiply by 100 over 1. So we're going to divide 95,000 by 675,000. It's going to give us a figure. We're going to multiply that figure then by 100. So remember, it's the 4 place of decimal, or 2 place of decimal, so it's going to be 14.07. So we're going to look at the 4. So because the 4 is less than 5, it's going to stay as 7. So the answer should be 14.07. So we're multiplying this figure by 100. And we get 14.07 rounded to 2 place of decimal. So that's your fourth adjustment for Rhine, looking at the net profit margin. So you need to find your net profit and your credit sales. Remember, your net profit is in the trade and profit and loss account, 95,000. Credit sales is given to us a question, then your profit and loss is 675,000. We're going to divide 95 by 675, and the figure we get, we're going to multiply by 100. We're going to round it to 2 place of decimal, and we're going to have the unit of percentage. So the net profit margin is going to be a percentage. And that's your fourth and final adjustment that you need for part A, looking at the ratios.